Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having a problem with Xbox One error code 0x87e00064. Try that again. Some things went wrong. Let's fix that problem guys. First thing I recommend to do, restart your computer and Xbox and see whether the problem resolved. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue guys. I recommend to try that as well. And if not resolved, go to search menu and type installed apps. Open it. Search for Xbox. Select the three dot icon and select advanced option. Scroll down guys. There is option reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The apps data won't it be affected. Click on repair. And actually try to open up Xbox again guys, so hopefully that can able to resolve the problem. But if not working, let's actually want to reset it guys. For that, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The apps data will be deleted. Click reset guys. This will permanently delete the apps data on this device including your preferences and sign in details. Click on reset. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC guys. And after that, attempt to launch the Xbox. You should good to go guys. So problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.